Wenn's im Block eskaliert, geht es nur ums Geschäft. Nur ums Geschäft, es geht nur ums Geschäft. Weil das Parallel.
Hey, birdie. Hey, birdie. Hey, birdie, what are you doing there, birdie, huh? 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 Where you going, huh? 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 Oh, there's another one. Yo, what's up? How you doing? How you doing, dog? Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Big. Oh, fight, 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 fight. Fight. Oh, dude. They're looking for food. They be looking for food. Oh, big black one in town. Oh, boys, I'm gonna come get you. Oh, this is my food now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is my town. My town. My town. This is my town. What? Who's that? Go with the glasses. I don't know who that is, for sure. It's a beautiful day outside, I guess you can say. Machine goes skrrr. Bro, look at my freaking wood burn. Oh my gosh. It hurts so much. Oh, I got it on this knee too, but bro, that hurts so bad. But yeah, I don't know why I'm doing this, but sorry YouTube. You guys have to see this. Oh, gotta get that. There it is. There's the ambulance. It's going somewhere. Someone got hurt. Someone got hurt, you know. It's all part of the YouTubes, you know. People get hurt, you know. It's good. Huh. Guac is always greener. I should have taken a picture because my guac was not green at all, bro. I was very dissatisfied. I gave it a 3 out of 10. It was so green, like so brown, bro. It's like not even fun. Like I did not like that. Bro, this picture quality is actually pretty good. Bro, that's totally wicked, honestly. This phone's actually pretty... Oh, he's back. Oh. Oh. Come on, get it. Take the bait. Oh. Dang, bro. I got scared away. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Look at that guy. Look at him. So majestic. What about him? And where is he going? I don't know where he's going, but he just kind of disappeared. Well, I hope you guys just like this random thing I just did. Don't know what I did. But yeah, hope you guys have a good day. Peace. Oh wait, one more thing. Let me know how you guys like my In-N-Out socks. I wore it to my game today. Yeah. Say hi to the vlog. So guys, we're about to race. Yo guys, about to go driving. I hope you guys like this. Something else different. What? I can't hear you. What? I can't hear you. Yeah guys, let's go. Okay guys, be back with you in just a second.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love